Hongxin Company Limited is a trusted manufacturer and supplier of parts for precision machinery. We are able to provide precision parts processing, production of intelligent mechanical parts, and components, etc. We produce various precision parts made of steel, aluminum, stainless steel, plastic material, copper, high-speed steel. Several well-known Japanese companies have become our clients, such as Panasonic, Hirata, Denso, etc. We provide a wide array of precision parts for them. Hongxin was founded based upon the principle of high integrity management and quality first. We have adopted CAD, CAM, and CAE integration processes, implemented standard information management, systematic quality management systems, and utilize an advanced testing center.